The following messages has been transmitted from the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. An army of drones was spotted in roaming around Oregon, Washington, Montana, Florida, Georgia, Alabama, Tennessee, South and North Carolina, and Texas. If you are in these states, you are advised to seek shelter or evacuate immediately. An emergency update: the ships that look like the Multiverse Alliances, the members are that will battle the drones. Multiverse Leader, Multiverse Commanders, Jabari the Gaming and Powerful Master, Christian the Creator 2K9, Jared the Killer Master, Pluto, Josian the Creator 2K11, Germany Mapping, Blue EAS, I Simplex Jus, Fluffy Play, It's I Boy Jordy, Chester, Audney Monty Noel, Ruinimation, Sherry, Kayleen, Jay, Sputter, Isoc Production 2012, Stacy the Gonimator, Itzlava, Nicholas, Boris, Doris, Caillou, Rosie, Good Classic Caillou, Hannah, and many others. Stay tuned for more information on this global crisis.